Hey YouTube viewers, thank you for watching my videos and my shorts. As I continue to pump out those videos, I got a device to film even better content, and we're gonna do an unboxing for it. It is the DJI Osmo 3 right here. While DJI recommends Kingston for their SD cards, I decided to get the Samsung Pro Plus 128 gigs to pair with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I hope you guys will enjoy the content that I'll be putting out. So now let's get started with the unboxing. Get a nice pouch with it. This is the protective case. And that's it. This is the bag that it comes with the DJI logo right here. And inside are the contents. So here are some of the contents that come with the creator combo, such as the Pocket 3 itself, the dead cat right here, the wide angle lens here, your mic, your USB to USB-C. Here are two of your different type of battery extensions, as well as your tripod mount so it can freestand. So after watching the unboxing, I'm gonna do some testing here as we're walking around. I hope that the video is very clear, and I hope that the stabilization's good and there's no bobbling effect, as when I watched the reviews on the device, actually many of the different reviewers said that there was a bobbling effect, like waves as I'm walking. Yeah, just drop in the comments if the quality is great, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave in the comments what camera do you use for filming your short films or your long films. Thanks for watching once again.